Harshin, Kimera Hashiv. So Misha Joy, agus hami id mo goi gwan if he brian rave me hiachkin na Gaelic. Now Gaelic is a different language from English, but there are many words that you use in English that have actually come from Gaelic. For example, smashing. That's actually smashin. That's good. Smashing. And I'm sure many of you have used the word loch. Loch Nish, Loch Ness. That's a lake. And also a ceilidh, a party, a good place to play music and also dance. Now Gaelic has its own spelling and also its own alphabet. There are 18 letters in the Gaelic alphabet. Can you spot which ones are missing? Gaelic is actually also really easy to learn, so here are a few phrases to start you off. If you want to greet someone in the morning, you could say Matin va. Good morning. Matin va. Or if it's in the afternoon, Fisker ma. Good afternoon. Fisker ma. To introduce yourself, you just say Is Misha, then your name. So I would say Is Misha Joy. And all you need to do is say is Misha and put your own name in there. Also, if you want to be nice and polite and thank somebody, you could say Tach believe, thank you, Tach believe, and probably the easiest one of all to use is Cheery, goodbye, Cheerio, cheery. Now, why not try to use one of these phrases every day this week? And you could even share it with us online, on social media, using the hashtag Seachkin na Gaelic. We are really looking forward to hearing what you managed to say. Cheery and drasta!